Hey everyone, today I have a really cool product to talk to you about, and that is the Kelopa Humidifier. Now, this is such a cool product because one, the color is just something that you don't see very often, if ever. Let's go over some of the features of this really beautiful humidifier. It's a cool mist humidifier, which means that you're going to be able to get 300 milliliters per hour output from this device. This is ideal for a 120 to 350 square foot room or space. Talk about easy to clean. It has a wide opening and a simple rectangular shape which makes the water tank accessible and super easy to scrub clean. It makes for a relaxing and restful sleep with below 35 decibels in noise. It's whisper quiet, you really can't hardly hear it whenever it's running. It has a top fill design with a 2.6 liter or a 0.7 gallon transparent water tank, making it easy to clean and easy to see. The precise dial knob makes everything even more simple by allowing for adjustments with the mist and the output by rotating the knob. I personally love the lightning bolt shape at the top where the mist comes out. I really think that that's a cool effect and a cool design for a device of this color. These are really good devices to have in your home, especially in the winter because it helps your skin so that it doesn't dry out. It can relieve soreness and tiredness, it can help you to sleep, and it really just makes the entire atmosphere in your house feel comfortable. Again, this is the Kelopa 2.6 liter humidifier. I personally think the design is something that I haven't seen very much of, and this is something that's really great for homes, offices. It can even be used on enclosed porches and other spaces. This is a really nice thing to also get for your plants. If you have a lot of house plants and you want to make sure that they're getting enough moisture, especially during the winter when people have their heat and heaters running, this is the device to get. It's affordable, it looks great, and I don't think you could go wrong with this device.